Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Welcome back. I have today my Sam Poole design team project. I used the kit, the Neutral Edit, that's in Sam's Etsy shop. And I also used the Women in White kit. And so this journal is all Sam Poole design digitals and some of my original ephemera. So let's just get started here. This one was so fun to make because I like neutrals. So this is a very, very neutral journal. I love that image of her necklaces. And then I added this antique lace trim. It goes around the back as well. And she's pretty full. And in this pocket, pull it over, there's just a little, oh, I love that dress. It's just a little open place to jot down notes or if you journal. So this is a very, very neutral and very soft. Here's some tissue paper. I added a piece of French ephemera that was ripped. And here is some more ephemera, French ephemera, because I also used the violet kit just to give it a little bit of color. And then here's a pocket that I created using one of the Women in White kit. I created this little pocket. I just love this. And then this is just a book page. Fold it up. I put it in this pocket. And then you can open this up. And then here's another book page folded. Oh, and here's another piece of ephemera torn. There you go. I love that. So here's the violet. Very pretty. Lots of places to write in this journal. And then in this little tuck here is another French ephemera, original. Well, that doesn't, there you go. Here's another place to write. And the words say, she saw beauty in ordinary things. And then here is a picture with some design on back. And then this is from the violet kit with good wishes and kind thoughts. It's just a little journal spot tucked in this lace corner. And then these two pockets hold another little place to journal and an antique French letter. And then here is another place to journal. And so you can see the violet papers coming through. They just worked so well in here. And then this was a late idea I had sitting here. I thought, well, the actual image was a little large and I wanted to use it, so I cut it out to make it fit on this page. And then here is some original French ephemera tucked in there. And then here is a little booklet, another place to write. And then in this deep, deep pocket is one of my favorite photos, actually. I just added some end of a book page. Or no, that's part of this document, this French antique document. I just folded it over. And this is in the kit, the neutral kit, and I just aged it and double-sided it. Let's see if I can get that back on there. There. There we go. Put her in there. Very simple. Here is another place to write, and this is like some old packing paper. So I backed this from the violet kit and folded it over, and you can write in there. And here are some more book pages, French book pages. And here are some more pictures on some of the scrap leftovers from the kit. I just love that Women in White kit. I'll be using that a lot. And then I cut these ladies out. I think there's like 4 or 5 ladies on a bench, and I cut them out. Made them fit. And here is an original, I think, receipt. 1957, or 1957, number 157. Put it in that tuck. More of the tissue paper. And here is some more French ephemera that goes with this kit so well. So you get a lot of ephemera in this journal. And at the very end, in the back, get that in there, I had this document, I think from Angie, my friend Angie, and it was falling apart, so I added the photo, and then I made it a little folio with some original old papers in here. Yeah, I got this one from Monahan Papers. You should check out that website. I'll link her again because she has some amazing ephemera. And so that goes in there. And there you have it. She is available, and just send me an email and we'll discuss it. But I hope you get a chance to check out that kit in Sam's shop. I enjoyed creating with it, and I think you would too. And thanks for all your lovely comments. I appreciate you all. And I wish I could let this go. I'd stick it in here. Isn't that pretty? I might do that. I don't know. It was a gift. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and take care. I'll see you soon.